6,000 female convicts are known to have spent time here, mostly from Great Britain and Ireland. On arrival in Hobart Town after a 4 to 6 month sea voyage, they would be marched up here from Sullivan's Cove. Sentences ranged from 3 to 7 years, and many remain here for the term of their natural life, never to return to their homeland again. The prison once extended the full length of the valley. At any one time, it could accommodate up to 1,200 women who would be employed to carry out such tasks as needlework, the town's laundry, and the manufacturing of blankets and uniforms. They would work for up to 10 hours a day in the summertime. Those who managed to be well behaved became servants to the wealthy of Hobart. Today the site is open for tours which provide a full insight into the ladies' lives at the Cascade Female Factory. We are now entering the South Hobart village, nestled in the foothills of Mount Wellington and one of the city's oldest suburbs. Home to chic shopping, the village is a great place for coffee and cake and is an ideal place to join the Hobart Rivulet track, winding its way from the city to the Cascade Brewery. You can also walk the streets and explore the grand old homes of Davy Street. As we leave South Hobart, to our left is the All Saints Church, dating back to the late 1860s and designed by the well-known colonial architect Henry Hunter. Hunter's other designs include buildings such as the Hobart Town Hall, the Treasury buildings at Franklin Square, and many of the impressive homes of Hobart. Stretching along the hillside to our left is West Hobart. Many of the houses are of timber construction due to the steepness of the land in this area. We are now travelling down Macquarie Street, named after Governor Lachlan Macquarie, whose determination and vision during his 12 years as Governor of New South Wales changed early Australia from a struggling colony into a thriving community. He visited Hobart in November 1811 and was appalled with the ramshackle nature of the town. He then ordered the Governor's surveyor to organise the streets of the town into the grid pattern that makes up Hobart today. He left Australia in 1822 and died 2 years later. first governor of Van Diemen's Land from 1804 to 1810. He died while still in office, and he is buried in St David's Park, the original burial ground for Hobart Town. The large sandstone building to our right was built by John Walker as a steam-powered flour mill and brewery back in 1852. Uses over the years, at one stage being used to make orange juice. Today it provides office space to the city. If you are looking for a little bit of Hollywood while on holiday, well ahead of us is the Village 7 Cinema, showing all the latest films from across the globe. Comprising of 5 ordinary cinemas, 2 gold-class cinemas, and the Intensity gaming zone for the young and young at heart. A warm welcome to those of you who have joined or rejoined us here. Your safety is our priority, so please remember to remain seated at all times.
Very nice restaurant, this one here. Beautiful food.
We have now entered Hobart's city centre.
Yeah, it is too. Right.
This part of the city is home to major department stores, intimate shopping arcades, and the Cat and Fiddle Square, where on the hour, every hour, there's Hey Diddle Diddle.